Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your website to a new hosting provider, complete guide step by step clearly. Before starting the transfer, choose a new hosting provider that fits your needs. Sign up for an account with the new hosting provider. Back up your existing website files and database from your current host. Using an FTP client, connect to your current hosting account. Download all website files to your local computer. Access your current hosting control panel and export your database. For WordPress sites, use the built-in export feature or a plugin for a complete backup. Now, log into your new hosting account. Navigate to the control panel or dashboard provided by your new host. Create a new database for your website. Record the database name, username, and password for later use. Upload your website files to the new host using the FTP client. Ensure you place them in the correct directory, usually the public_HTML folder. Next, import your database to the new host. Access the database management tool, commonly phpMyAdmin, in the new control panel. Select the database you created and use the import function to upload your earlier exported database file. Once the database is imported, update your website configuration files. For WordPress, edit the wp-config.php file to include the new database details. After making the necessary updates, ensure all links and media paths are correct. If you're using a CMS other than WordPress, check the specific configuration instructions. Now, it's time to update your domain's DNS settings. Log into your domain registrar's account where you purchased your domain. Update the name servers to point to your new hosting provider's name servers. Allow some time for the DNS changes to propagate, which can take up to 48 hours. During this time, you can test your new hosting setup using a temporary URL provided by your new host. Once the DNS propagation is complete, check your website for any issues. If everything looks good, proceed to cancel your previous hosting account. Ensure that you keep backups until you are fully satisfied with the new setup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.